The junkyard is like Target for women. There's always something interesting to look at, and this one in particular has a lot of unique cars. It's weird that I find inspiration at the junkyard, either by cars I've never seen before or by cars that are highly customized. But most of the time, I come across cars like this smart car and this RX-8 right next to it that deserve a second look. Even though I hate to admit it, the best part about the RX-8s were its seats, because its rotary engine by design burned a lot of oil. Another car that had problems with oil were the Toyota Celica, specifically with the oil pump. But since there's nothing really unique about either of those cars, I kept on walking, and that's when I came across a fully custom Hyundai Tiburon. This thing had a full-on body kit, and I loved how whoever built it fiberglassed the side skirts onto the fenders, because that's something I would have never thought of. They also did the same thing on the rear bumper, which wasn't the best idea, but regardless, it was still something I've never seen. Something else I've never seen before was a tow hitch on an older Civic. Whoever installed it would have had better luck convincing Elon to fight Zuckerberg than they would have hauling the trailer in a Civic. Either way, while looking at the red EG hatch, there was a weird looking car to the side of me that looked sophisticated, and it turned out to be a rare Isuzu Impulse. Unfortunately, the hood didn't open up, so I wasn't able to look at the engine, but in hindsight, it was the most unique car at the entire junkyard.